What's going on, Ghost Squad? Trey here with Ghost Tactical again. We had another great fun shoot at our home range at the Cleburne County Shooting Club in beautiful Heber Springs, Arkansas. We had about 10, maybe a little over 10 people show up to shoot, and it was a great turnout and a great mixture. Once again, we had some older people that were shooting, some younger people. We had a teenage kid show up and really kind of showed us what the youth of America is, and which was great. We had some inexperienced shooters, we had some really good shooters, and we had females, males, we had the whole gambit, and it was great to see everyone show up, and we had a great time. Today we set up a nice stage to simulate basically what could happen in a real world shoot. As we all know, in a real world shoot, you're probably not going to have time initially to go to find cover and all that. You might have to shoot from the draw or from the retreat. So what we did is, as you can see here, our first step is to, when you hear the buzzer, you take one or two shots, at least one shot from the draw, and at least one shot to the target on a retreat moving to cover. From the time you get to cover, then at that point, you've got 3 steel targets. You take one shot at each. Then you move to the other side of the cover barrier, and you have 3 other steel targets. You take one shot each. After those steel targets are taken on, then you move over to the falling plates. You take the steel plates and you shoot them one at a time, and after the last one is taken care of, then we initiate the swinging target, and you take one shot of the swinging target. So basically what we've done today is try to simulate a real world shoot where you may not be able to shoot from behind cover initially. You might have to shoot while on the move and from the draw. So we simulated that, plus shooting from behind cover in different types of cover, different, whether it's seated or standing up, and then obviously the falling plates and the swinging targets. So check it out, and I think you guys will have fun watching.
Nice! Hit. Not me. Stand by. Come on into cover. Miss the silhouettes of the small. Nope. Roll back at it. Stand by. Nice. Think he engaged it himself. You're all right. Go ahead and take it off. There you go. You're good. Drop it. Drop the holster. There you go. Muzzle, muzzle, muzzle. There you go. Good. Good. You go. Good.
Well, guys, I hope you really enjoyed watching the shoot. If you're ever in or around Heber Springs, Arkansas, let us know. We're having fun shoots all the time on the weekends, and we're looking to get a lot more people out there having fun shooting lead. We're open to any age, male, female, old, young, experienced shooters, inexperienced shooters, beginners. It doesn't matter. Come on out and we're going to have a good time. We're asking everybody to please go and like and follow the Cleburne County Shooting Club's Facebook page. The link will be in the description as well. Guys, thanks again for watching, and come on out to the range anytime and shoot with us. We're looking forward to having you. See you next time.
Oh, hey guys, sorry. Doing a little work on the AR. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Maybe hit the notification bell and hit that like button. If you really like the video, then we ask you to go check out some videos over here and check out our website, www.ghosttactical.us. Semper Fi.